Today guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can create X or Twitter threads really easily and quickly, both from the desktop or laptop and of course your mobile device. As I get into this, smash the like button. If you want to stay up to date with hints and tips on X and various other platforms, make sure to hit that subscribe button and let's get started. Okay, so to get started, we're going to come over to x.com/home, which is basically just our news feed here on the old X or x.com's platform. And we can see have the ability to start a thread by clicking up here of the what is happening. So normally what you'll find most people doing is they'll usually go and say something like 1 out of 8 like this, for example, and that's how they kind of start their thread. So you start by typing something in here. So I'm just going to go ahead and put test up the top here, 1 for example, something to this effect, and that's going to be your very first message. Right now what you can see down here next to the post button there is a little plus icon which allows you to add the second part. So if I go ahead and click that, you can see here that we have the first message which I can edit, and then of course we have the second part down here which I'm going to go with 2/8, and we'll have test 2, super original, right? And we'll go ahead and we'll add another part. So we'll go 3/8, and this will be test 3, and we'll add another one, again 4 out of 8, test 4. And of course you kind of get the idea at this point. Really straightforward to kind of do, and it allows you to kind of tease people into each section or each message. It allows you to break your kind of your thread down into meaningful segments as well, right? Making it easier for people to digest, but also allows you to kind of create kind of like a hook for each one that allows people to read on to the next one. Okay, it kind of gets people to read more messages, and in reading more messages means that ultimately you'll get distributed further on the platform. So basically that is it, right? And once you're happy with all of your areas here, you can just go ahead and post all of them and it will create a thread for you. So let's go ahead and take a look at how you can do this on the mobile device. Okay then, so on the mobile device, the process is relatively straightforward as well, except this time what we have to do is we have to start by hitting the plus or the blue plus button just at the bottom right hand corner, and then here we have the same kind of options, right? So we're going to start by typing 1/ let's say 4, keep it nice and short, and you'll see in the bottom right hand corner just above our keyboard we have that plus icon once again. If we click that a click, we can now start with 2/4, plus it again, and we'll have 3/4, plus again, and we can have 4/4. Okay, and we can customize each of these as we see fit. So we can click into the first one. I can now say this is the first message, and then don't forget to read more, and so forth. And we can customize each of these the end like so, right? And then once we're happy with all of it, we can go ahead and click the post all button just there at the very top. And so guys, it is as easy as that to create threads on x.com. If this worked for you, make sure to smash that like button, hit that subscribe button down below as well so you stay up to date with the latest hints and tips that we have here on the channel. Until the next one, have a great day.